Hey everyone, welcome back to another vintage RC video. Today I've actually got a surprise. It's an old vintage RC buggy which I've been wanting to get for quite some time, and I found this one quite cheap. However, it's in pretty bad shape obviously, so I paid very little for this car, and so yeah, I don't know what's in it because I just received it not long ago, so we'll dive into it and see what we get. Now I know there's a couple of things missing in this car from when I got it. Yeah, so we'll just see what we get. Let's have a look. It's pretty well packed actually. It does come with the controller as well, so the guy told me. So we'll just take a look. Now yeah, you can see from there it says the attack to the for the motor mount. So that's for the motor mount. It's an aluminum one. So we'll have a look at that too. Oh, this is very good. Some more wrapping here. So this car is actually a project which I have in mind. So oh yeah. Oh, I did a good job at packing this. I believe that's the controller in there, but we'll get to that later. Just pop it over here for now. I just want to get right down to the buggy. I seem to have packed it quite well. Not sure what that is. Oh yeah, it's included a charger. Oh, that's pretty, it's actually a fast charger. It's an old one though. Okay, so straight away you'll notice there's a lot of parts missing in this thing. If you don't know already what that is, I can tell you straight up what it is. You're looking at yeah, so this is the DF-01 chassis. So this one came out back in '97. And also, so you know, this chassis shared on a couple of other buggies. So yeah, it shares the Manta Ray and Top Force. So hence is why I wanted to get a DF1, because I might actually build a Top Force or a Manta Ray. Now with the Top Force, you notice that, you know, even the body shells and those things are quite expensive. Even the car, if you find one today, you're lucky enough to get it for like $500 if you're lucky, but they're actually expensive. Now this model is the 58204, and yeah, it came out back in '97. I think also, because I checked on their website, also it says 2008, so I don't know if they did a re-re on this. If anyone knows, just leave a comment in below. Okay, so what I'll do now, I'll pause it and pull the car out and have a look. So the car does look like it's in pretty bad shape. Yeah, I've got a spare one of those antennas. So let's just pop the body off and see what we're dealing with. Oh, crikey. Seems to be stuck. There we go. Well, the body appears to be in great condition, just dirty on the outside. I don't know what the story is with this chassis. Like the rear swing arms, they have a slight bend, and this wheel is just wobbling. Don't know what that could be. This is probably the first car that I've ever got vintage with a painted body, so pretty wrapped in that. So these are the original electrics. Got the resistors there. Oh, okay, the motor's off. It's not even put inside the, what the hell? Hold on guys. Sorry about that pause there guys, something wrong with the camera. Okay, so let's have a look in there. I can't really see. I'll have to hang on a minute. Turn the flash on. Oh yeah, you can see, look at that. It is filthy. So we can see that gearbox there. Oh yeah. Gears seem to be okay. Like even this motor, I don't even know the condition of this, if it still works or not. Looks like a vintage Johnson motor in that. Just a note though, let's have a look at this. Oh yeah. Oh, hello. Another NiCad battery, guys. I wonder if this actually works. So far I've had like a few NiCad batteries that did work. Looks like there's a bit of bulge in there. Okay, so I'll leave that in there. It's missing the battery stay. Oh, I can't touch this car, it's so dirty. Well, so the next video I'll be doing some restoration on this, so I'll do part by part and then we'll see what we get. But basically I'm just going to do a clean up and restore of this car. I'm not going to bother putting any new electrics. I'm going to keep the original MSCs just to see if it works or not. If it doesn't work, it doesn't matter. There doesn't appear to be anything broken, so everything looks intact. From what they've told me, they just said that the car needs restoration. Everything's pretty much in good shape. So yeah, anyways, so we'll see how we go. So that body shell looks really bright. Nice. It's dirty on, as you can see, it's dirty on the outside, but it actually looks really nice. Bit disappointing about the tail not being there, but anyway, doesn't matter, I guess. Yeah, the paint looks to be okay still, and even the tyres appear to be okay. Now these are the original Tamiya tyres for this car, Blazing Star. So these ones I'll probably just wash them and you know, take the tyres off if they're not glued on. Yeah, it looks like they're not glued on. So I'll take them off and like strip the car down and just see how we go. Okay, well that's it then, guys. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe because it really helps the channel out. If you want to see some other cool videos. Oh, and also the controller's still wrapped in that, so I'm not going to bother unwrapping that because it looks like he's got like a whole bunch of wrapping on that, so that's going to take some time. Anyways, so that's it.